Okay, so I left it, we were just doing the database. Okay, bonuses paid, and really it was just the final bit, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, sorts the data into ascending order. So you did all that before. It was actually just the bonuses. Now, what I'm going to do is show you just one very quick thing. So there's another text box. What I'm going to do is actually slightly different. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to do salary. Okay. I'm going to do function, salary, accumulation, and then report. And what that will do is add up the salary. So it'll add up the total salary. Now, what it actually asked for is the total of the bonuses, not the salary. Now, the reason I'm just showing you that quickly is that's to actually show you how to do the bonus one. That's going to take a longer video. So what I'm going to show that. Okay, and if I go back to the mark scheme, that might be a loss of 1 mark. Okay, but that loss of 1 mark I can show you in another video when I do another paper 2. I just want to skip that for the moment, simply because I think what we've done at the moment is enough. Okay, so with all those things that you've done there, total marks 22. That would, if you put your name, centre number, candidate number on it. Okay, has a page. Okay, fits on one page. Orientation of landscape. So the bits calculates the total bonuses paid. Places that at the bottom. Yeah, that's the only bit that we've missed out. So what we've done is totaled up the salary, not the bonuses. If I go back to here, you just kind of squeeze it all up and see if I click on here. Oh, come on. Okay. Right. So it should be able to just fit it. Well, if it doesn't fit in, then you just basically drag the margins up or change the font size a little bit. I think you do need, so slow this Mac. Okay, you do need a title, I think, at the top, is it? I gave you so you'd need to put that on it somewhere. But that would be it. So like I was saying, for the sake of, I'll put a label field in there, and I should be able to just paste that. No. Okay, so for the label, I'll just have to click on there, and just whatever it said. Actually, it might be a Control V on the, okay. Okay, something like that. So, okay, execute report. Oh, come on. Okay, save and print your report. So you will eventually have to save it. Oh, come on. Okay. But by now you are probably very fed up with the database. So I thought that would be a good time just to end it. Okay, so it's gone over on a few pages. That is where you just kind of, in fact, what you would do. Oh, it's so slow, this computer. Is just kind of squeeze it all up a bit. But, oh God. Yeah. So you would just do something like that, squeeze that up. Okay, and that would really be it. It said landscape, file, okay. just seeing where I think I'm going to just save the report. When you actually come to print it, you can specify there that it be printed in landscape. Okay, I'm going to quit this now, I think, but it's really slow. Okay, but that pretty much, for the moment, that's probably the first one of these. I think we did one earlier on, but leave that as the report, and you just got to look at that, think, well, you've got way over half marks. You're missing one particular mark, but the time it's going to take to do that, I'm going to leave that for the moment, and on the next task, just show you the next paper that we do. I'll show you how you do that, and I will show you that one, but later on. Okay, database labels. I might be able to, in this video, just quickly do database labels. I might have to restart this Mac as well. Just, it is incredibly slow. Okay, so the database label actually is not too bad. It's arranged in 2 columns. Okay, you want job description, engineer, and there's probably something. Okay, so only engineers and people who work in Mumbai or Bangalore. Okay. In that case, if it's Mumbai or Bangalore, right, again, we probably need to do a query. Use query wizard. All it is family, that one, job description. I think office ID. We'll click. Okay. So we're doing another query. We only need those fields. We don't need to sort it, but here actually, this is where you would have employee job description. This might work. If I type in engineer, I could try it. If it doesn't work, not a problem. But I'll just see if it does work here. Office ID, I'm guessing Bangalore would be that. And I could do Office ID, and the other one was Mumbai, which I think is that one. MUM. I can change it after anyway. Click next, and finish. Didn't work. Okay. This is a horrible program to use. I'm just going to right click and do edit. Okay. I'm going to delete that. Right. I'm going to do that a different way. I'm just going to delete that one. Just delete it. Query, and I'm going to do the same thing again. This time I'm just going to do that. Office ID, and I'm going to just do finish. Ah, unbelievable. Okay, this is a very horrible program. I'm going to, but it's good that this is happening because I'm trying to work it out what on earth it's doing. Okay, I know what the problem is now. Right, so you do a query, always check that one, because I'm basing the query actually on the employees. What I was doing is doing a query of a query. Okay, so that was my fault. So I'm going to try that again actually. Don't need employee ID. So do family name, that family name, ID, job description. So I'm going to try it the first way again. I don't need to sort it in any order, I don't think. Okay, job description. Okay, so it's engineer. Okay. Office ID, I'm guessing if it's Mumbai, it'll be MUN. Office ID, if it's Bangalore, I'm guessing it must be BAN. Click next, I'll do finish. Okay, it has, okay, so the query kind of works, but it hasn't actually run anything, so I'm just going to look at this. Okay. What I'm going to do is change, I probably did that wrong, what I should have done, I'm going to put Ban there, because the office ID is either going to be Mumbai or Bangalore. So I'm now going to right click and delete that one. Click Save, Run. Oh, it works. Does it work? No. Of course it hasn't. What it has done is it's half worked. No, it's not even half worked. Okay, I'm just going to pause the video there. I'm doing this for the first time. So what it's done is found everyone who works in Bangalore. It hasn't sorted out the job description, so I've still got architect, admin assistant. Okay, so I'm just going to, I don't like doing this, but I'm going to pause the video and then work it out from there. Short delay. Now, basically what I've done is, just like before, if you look at the results, you've got Mumbai, you've got Bangalore, and all the job descriptions have somewhere got the word engineer, so this query has worked. What I've had to do is Office ID, there, or there, and on this line I've had to put that. Okay, again, this is one that I think we're going to have to laminate. Basically you say like means if the job description has somewhere inside got the word engineer. The little star means there could be stuff before the word engineer. So if you look at the job description, it could be structural engineer, mechanical engineer, whatever, as long as it's got engineer in it. But you have to do it for Mumbai and also Bangalore. Okay, but that's that has worked. Now I'm going to just, do you want to, yes I do want to save the changes. So query employees to, okay, I'm going to go to File, New. Just remember what we are doing. I'm looking at the time. We're trying to, we are trying to do database labels. This is 9 marks, and it's that bit. Basically, we've done the hard work really now. So all we do, show only first name, that one, and that one. Okay. So this actually should be fairly quick. Now we've done that. Should we go File, New, Labels? Okay. You might have stuff on there, you might not. I'm just going to delete all that stuff. That's the database that we're using, is it? No. Test 3. Okay. Alright, you won't have that problem what I've just had there. Okay, table, I'm actually using the query because I know the query works. And these are all the, so that's the query I've just done. I don't need Office ID, I just need job description. So that was the query that we just done. It's called query employees to. This doesn't really mean anything, any of this stuff here, so you don't need to do anything there. I'm just going to do format. Okay, and options, entire page. I think that should be good to go. I'm just going to click new document and see what we get. Okay. Now, one of the things it does say, I've got to speed up now because it's going to Okay, so you'd have that one. So you want those words, which you would put on the top. I'm just going to see whether this, if I click on print, do you want just potato address database files? I'm just going to click yes, see what we get. Okay. I'm just going to try file and print view. This, okay, so what I'm going to do is pause this video here, and then the next one will be very, very short, just to finish this one off. Okay, that was a lie. I'm going to do this in really, really quickly. You do file and print. Okay, 10 seconds, click no. If you click no, it will work. There you go. So that has got all the database labels, and that is that task done. You should get 4 marks for that. Well done.